This question belongs to Computer Network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 3. So the question states, classless interdomain routing CRDR receives a packet with address 131.23.151.76. So what is binary for this? It is 131.23 can be written as 00010111 as it is 16, then 420, 20 plus 3, 23. 151.76. We have just expanded 23 because all these ranges lie in the second octet only. The router's routing table has the following entries. These are the prefixes. This is the output interface identifier. Now it is saying the identifier of the output interface on which the packet will be forwarded bits. Okay, let us see for each. See, this is IP address. Now let us write the equivalent for this. So what is 131.16 is 00010000.0.0. So what will happen? Subnet mask has only 12 bits. So if we will AND this, so what will happen with the subnet mask? So subnet mask will have 12 ones. So it will be carry forwarded directly like 12. 8 of here and 4 bits of here. So we will get 131.0001 and this will be all zeros. So this is the output that we are getting for the subnet mask, because in subnet mask 8 bits of this and 4 bits of this remain like this, and we get the IP address and subnet mask and to be like this, and its equivalent is 131.16.0.0. It is exactly matching. So it is a match. Let us see the second one. So our IP address is 131.0000101.151.76. Now second one is 14 bits. So 8 from here and 6 from here. So it comes out to be 131.0001000.0.0 as the mask is 14 bits. So its equivalent is 131 dot and it is 20. It is not matching as here it is 28. So it is not a match. Let us see for the third one. For the third one, how many bits do we have? For the third one we have 16 bits. So 8 from here and 8 from here. So it comes out to be 131.23.0.0. But it is also not matching. Now let us see the last one. So for the last one, what happens? So how we are doing is, this is our IP address. They are given here 15 bits in subnet mask. So 15 bits in subnet mask means 15 bits will be exactly like this. So what will happen if we have 15 bits exactly like this? So 131 will come exactly like this, and these will be exactly like this, and rest will be all zeros. So we will have 0001010.0.0. So it is 131.22.0.0. It is matching. Now we have 2 match. Now in case of 2 match, we will pick up the longest mask bit. So longest mask bit is 15 and the corresponding interface is 1. So output is, it will be forwarded to interface 1.